Have you ever wondered what would happen if you completely gave up sugar for just 2 weeks? It might sound impossible, but what if I told you the changes could be life-changing? Imagine waking up with more energy, clearer skin, and a sharper mind, more focused, and no longer trapped in a cycle of sugar cravings and energy crashes. Sugar is everywhere, and most of us don't even realize how much of it we're consuming daily. It's not just in candy and desserts, it's hiding in our bread, pasta, sauces, and even so-called healthy foods. In fact, the average person consumes around 17 teaspoons of sugar per day without even realizing it. That's like eating 4 chocolate bars daily, without knowing. But what if you made the bold decision to eliminate it? What if, in just 14 days, your body could begin to heal, burn fat more efficiently, and restore balance? Hello, this is Vitality Bliss. If you're looking for simple yet powerful ways to transform your health, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice, a change in the shape of your face. It will go from being rounder or puffier to looking slimmer. This same effect will be noticeable in your midsection. The reason, your liver starts releasing fat. When you cut out sugar, your body is forced to rely on fat for fuel. Since sugar and fat are the only 2 main energy sources, normally the body prioritizes sugar. But once it's gone, your body has no choice but to tap into its fat reserves, starting with the liver. A friend of mine, Joseph, was addicted to sugary drinks. After quitting sugar for just 10 days, he noticed his face becoming more defined and his belly shrinking. It wasn't even about weight loss yet, just losing the excess water retention sugar had been causing. The second major change? It involves 4 key organs that are especially affected when you cut sugar. 1. Sharper vision. Have you ever experienced blurry vision or struggled to focus? That's because your eyes are extremely sensitive to sugar. Diabetics, for example, often develop eye problems due to high blood sugar levels damaging the retina. Cutting sugar allows your eyes to heal and function better. 2. Stronger kidneys. Excess sugar forces your kidneys to work overtime, filtering out the extra glucose. This is why people with high sugar intake often experience frequent urination. When you remove sugar, your kidneys get a break, inflammation decreases, and they can start repairing themselves. If you find yourself waking up at night to pee multiple times, try cutting back on sugar. Within a few days, you'll notice yourself sleeping through the night, without interruptions. 3. Healthier arteries. Next, your arteries. Too much sugar inflames your blood vessels, leading to stiff arteries and higher cholesterol. When you cut sugar, your body reduces this inflammation, allowing blood to flow more freely. Over time, this can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Better brain function and mood stability. Finally, your nerves and brain will start to heal. If you've experienced peripheral neuropathy, where nerves in your feet or hands become damaged due to high blood sugar, cutting out sugar can help reverse this. And since the brain is full of nerves, your cognitive function will improve. You'll have better memory, focus, and concentration, and perhaps most noticeably, your mood will lift, leaving you feeling happier and more stable. Now, here's something that's always puzzled me. Diabetes is a condition caused by too much sugar in the blood. The obvious solution? Eat less sugar. Yet, if you search for the causes of diabetes, mainstream sources often mention lifestyle factors like obesity, lack of exercise, and even urbanization. But they don't emphasize dietary sugar. Instead, they often blame saturated fat, even though that theory has been debunked. And if you dig deeper, you'll find that they still recommend a diet high in grains, even though whole grains are about 85% carbohydrates. To me, the answer is obvious. Cut the sugar, and your blood sugar levels will naturally improve. Speaking of cravings, cutting sugar reduces them dramatically. The reason you feel hungry all the time? Your body depends on sugar, which burns quickly, leaving you constantly needing more fuel. But when your body starts burning fat, it can sustain itself between meals. That means fewer cravings and less snacking. The best way to eliminate sugar cravings? Simply stop eating sugar. It takes about 3 days for cravings to subside. And while the transition can be tough, anyone can do it. Now, let's talk about the hidden sugar in foods. The average American consumes about 17 teaspoons of added sugar daily. That's 71 grams. But when you include all the other sources like bread, pasta, cereal, crackers, muffins, and even alcohol, the total jumps to about half a pound of sugar per day. That's 275 grams, or 69 teaspoons. This is why switching to fat burning makes such a dramatic difference. You'll feel better, your clothes will fit better, your face will slim down, you'll stop craving sugar. You won't just lose weight, you'll lose actual fat. Initially, you'll drop water weight because stored sugar, glycogen, holds onto water. For every gram of glycogen, your body retains 3 grams of water. So in the first 1 to 2 weeks, you might lose around 13 pounds. But the real win? Your body will continue to burn fat efficiently. If you've struggled with weight loss in the past, chances are high sugar intake was the culprit. By reducing insulin resistance, you also decrease your risk of fatty liver disease, heart disease, stroke, and even cancer. So if you're wondering whether you should take action, don't wait, start today. Want to wake up feeling unstoppable? Then smash that subscribe button because we're on a mission to make you the healthiest, happiest version of yourself. Oh, and don't forget, comment below. What's the #1 health habit you're working on? I'll be responding to as many as I can. See you in the next one.